Welcome to ASP NET and SQL Academy, your go-to place to learn web development the right way. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, like and share to support this growing learning community. You are watching part 1 of our complete HTML mastery series, Introduction to HTML and Basic Structure. Whether you are a beginner or brushing up your skills, you are in the right place. In this video, you will learn what HTML is, why it is essential, and how to structure a basic HTML page. We will even walk through writing your very first HTML code. This video is perfect for beginners, students, job seekers, or anyone who wants to build a strong foundation in HTML. Let us dive into the code and start learning by doing. Practical hands-on experience is the best way to master HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is the standard language used to create and structure content on the web. With HTML, we use tags to define elements like headings, paragraphs, images, and more. HTML tells your web browser what to display and how to structure it. The browser reads the HTML file and renders it visually so users can see text, images, videos, forms, and more in a clean layout. Here is the basic structure of every HTML page. We start with the doctype HTML tag declaration to tell the browser we are using HTML5. The HTML tag wraps the entire page. Inside it, the head contains metadata like the title, and the body holds the visible content. The HTML tag is the root element of any HTML document. Everything, head, body, and visible content is nested within this tag. This tells the browser this is an HTML document. The head section includes metadata about the web page, like the title, links to the style sheets and scripts. It is important, but none of this is directly shown on the web page itself. The body tag holds all the content you see on the web page, like text, images, links, and more. It is the visible part of your HTML document that users interact with. Let us walk through a live example. This basic HTML page shows a heading and a paragraph. Try this in Notepad or VS Code, save it with a .html extension and open it in your browser to see the result. Now it is your turn. Create a file named index.html and write a basic structure with a title, a heading, and a paragraph. Open it in your browser to see how it works. Let us quickly recap. HTML defines the structure of a web page using tags. The main building blocks are HTML, header, and body. Practice these basics and you are on your way to mastering web development. In the next video, we will cover headings, paragraphs, and how to format text using HTML tags. Don't miss it. If you found this helpful, please like the video, share it, and drop your questions in the comments. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on upcoming videos.